Is this how you're supposed to do it? I don't know, but it feels right. Yes. All right, welcome to this DIY video. I'm gonna do my nails, and in case I forget to do an intro, I'm gonna say it right now. It's a 3-part series. I have 3 different ways I want to try to do DIY nails. One way is going to be glue, one way is going to be with stickers, and one way is going to be with the base coat. Today is glue, because it's the fastest and I need to go film on set. Alright, so this is what my nails are looking like right now. So what you need is a nail filer, a nail clipper with a nail cleaner in it, a cuticle cutter, and a pen, some Post-its, and some nails. Whatever nails you're going to use. Oh, and in there should be some glue. Is there glue in there? I think there's some glue in there. Let me see. I tried to pick out the nails because I think that literally takes me 20 minutes just to pick out. Oh yeah. And then some glue. So this is the box that I used. This was how much was this? Like $6. I normally don't want to pay more than $6 for a kit. Right? And the length is short. The length is real short. It says it right here. Real short. RS. And I like the real short. Short or real short are the two that I like. Right? So the nails look like this. Ba-dum-bum. And they are kind of out of order, and I need to get them back in order, and I'll tell you how I pick them out. So, nails. The longest part is finding out which numbers are yours, right? That's the longest part. And then I like to write down. So if one breaks, I like to write down if that was a number 5 or whatever. And that's what that's for. All right. I'm hoping this only takes 10 minutes. Okay, let's go. Clean the nails. Clean the nails. Okay, now that they're clean, first I use this one a little bit. The one that kind of came with it. And filing just so when they do grow under your press-on nail, they grow evenly. Alright, that's done. That's done. Now, cuticle cutter. Don't judge me on this. I'm not the best. I do enough to get by. Could I be better? Yes. That's as good as it's gonna get. Okay. Left hand first. The way I do it is it has this little thing on the top. So that's how you hold it. I used to measure them and put my whole hand on it. But then I realized, oh, just put your hand on this thing and measure it that way. So as long as I don't get mine way in there because I'm a big baby, but as long as it covers both sides, I said it's a good size for me. So it's covering both sides. Fine. Alright. Oh, it's just the perfect length. Okay, so left hand. That's 0. Hopefully getting these back in order. That's 2. Okay. So now all those things are there. In case you're wondering how I wrote them down. Alright, everything on the left is 0, 4, 3, 5, 11. The thumb, pointer, middle, ring, pinky. Same thing for the right. So if anything breaks, instead of trying to figure out which ones go, maybe every time I open a box, I could pretty much, if they're all the same from Kiss, I could just use this and know every time. Because ain't nobody trying to resize these. Alright. Oh, important. File. Let me just alt to the right hand. File all of your nails so it's not slippery. Okay, last step. There's kind of like glue everywhere. So I'm just using nail polish remover, dipping it in there, and kind of just like cleaning around the nail. Is this how you're supposed to do it? I don't know. And there's like glue on my hands, but it feels right. It feels right. And that's it. Bam. Look at her. This is my happy place. The real, what is it called? RS, real short. I either want short or real short. This is, let me move some stuff to the side. I need a thumbnail for and after. This is the after. Now, are they perfect? No. Is this thumb kind of bad? Yeah, it's not so great. The thumb's not so great. This thumb was really not sticking with the first number I had on, so I had to completely take it off and put a new number on. Yeah. So once again, this is the Kiss Acrylic Nude Short. These were like $6. You can get them from Target or online. I'm going like this. It seems really legit. And I can still function with with nice nails. So this is part 1. If you want to stick around to find out how it works with stickers or the base coat, which I heard is really, really great, stick around for the series, as this is part 1 on DIY press-on nails. But so far, I like the glue. I've done this once or twice before, when I had to be on set for something. So, yeah. Do-do-do. So cute. Okay, deuces. Psh.